Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, as you are aware, Malam Buhari's ministerial nominees are presently going through screening at the Senate at the moment. So I came across this particular story that I wanted to share with you in that regard. So I'll bring you this: ministerial screening, why I disobeyed court orders. This is according to the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami. So that's the headline: ministerial screening, why I disobey court orders. And this is according to Malami, the Attorney General of the Federation. Abubakar Malami, one of President Muhammadu Buhari's ministerial nominee, on Friday revealed why he disobeyed court orders. Malami, who was the immediate past Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, revealed that he disobeyed court orders due to public interest. He made the disclosure during his ministerial screening on the floor of the Senate, responding to a question from Senator Okweyemi Bamidele. Malami said, "I disobey court orders in public interest. It is my desire to operate within the spirit of the Constitution of Nigeria that established the need for integration." The Office of the Attorney General has the responsibility of upholding public interest. Now, it says the Office of the Attorney General has the responsibility of upholding public interest, but really that is not the case. The Office of the Attorney General has the responsibility of upholding the law. So that is his duty. His duty is not to uphold public interest. His duty is to uphold the law. So now, if that law then does not serve the public interest, it is then left to the Senate to amend that law to serve the public interest. But it is not his place to say this is public interest, therefore he will override the law. No, because his primary function and his remit to the Nigerian state rather has sent him is to uphold the law. So now this guy is completely wrong, of course, in his understanding of his duties. But then of course we've seen this already with the other guy, what is the Chief Justice, who did not even understand what technicality is. So now this carries on. Incompetence over incompetence is effectively what we are seeing now being played out. So we carry on. It is not an office that is targeted at individual interest but public interest. The office is for the interest of 180 million Nigerians as against a single individual. We recorded some modest achievements during my tenure as AGF. The Senate had on Wednesday commenced the screening of the ministerial list Buhari sent to them for confirmation. Other nominees include Chris Ngige, Hadi Sirika, Rotimi Amechi, Adamu, Mohammed Adamu, and Lai Mohammed. So he goes on to give us a list of all the other names that are still being screened. But really what I wanted to flash up with this video is yet again another example of somebody not understanding the basics of the remit of their post. So this guy, he doesn't really understand at all what he's meant to be doing there, because his duty is not to serve the public interest. His duty is to uphold the law to the letter. So that is the duty of the Attorney General of the Federation, to uphold and defend the Nigerian Constitution as it has been written. So if that Constitution is then written in a manner that does not serve the public interest, then it will highlight that to the Senate to say, look, this law is not fit for purpose, please amend it. And then the Senate will then take guidance both from him and from the legal profession, and then make the amendment that is fit for purpose. But his duty, his primary duty, is to uphold the law to the letter. So if he's now saying that his duty is to uphold public interest, then he should resign his position and go and contest for a political post, because it's the politicians that serve public interest and it is the law that upholds the Constitution. It's a very basic thing. So why way this guy now, or how this guy now does not understand that is beyond me, and it's certainly beyond him, but it comes as no surprise to anyone, because this is something that we are seeing repeat again and again. Incompetence over incompetence that has now led us to the poverty capital of the world. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. What are your thoughts? An Attorney General of the Federation who does not even understand what his duties are is what I am asking you to come discuss with me. But before you come have that conversation with me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.